Good day, guys. In the activity 4 for the subject operating system, we are tasked to implement semaphores in C programming language using Ubuntu terminal. Now before that, let's learn about what is semaphores. Semaphores was proposed by Dijkstra in 1965, which is a very significant technique to manage concurrent processes by using a simple integer value, which is known as a semaphore. Semaphore is simply an integer variable that is shared between threads. This variable is used to solve critical section problems and to achieve process synchronization in the multiprocessing environment. So basically, the semaphore is a programming language that will operate multiple threads at the same time. So yes. And the POSIX system in Linux presents its own built-in semaphore library. So if we'll use it, we have to include semaphore.h, compile the code by linking with lp-thread-lrt. So here, this is the code that we are using. So since we are using a semaphore system, we need to include the built-in library in the Linux. So semaphore.h, include the p-thread.h and the lrt later. So in here, so to lock a semaphore or wait, we can use the underscore wait function. So in this code that we are using, I will explain a little bit. So at first, we need to create a class that we need to use for multi-threading. So in here, we are going to print entered, and we need to sleep for 4 seconds, then print just exiting. So sempost. So sem underscore post. So here. So so in the main class, which will run the thread class. So so what the semaphore system or technique will do to the class is, if we'll run this thread, it will entered and just is exiting. But if we'll use it in a multi-thread, instead of showing double entered then double exiting, it will use entered just exiting then entered just exiting, because we made a sleep code which will give a waiting time or a time between placing enter and just exiting. So if we'll run this thread class at the same time, so like run this class and then after 2 seconds run another class with this again. So yes, so I will just show you. So close, find the terminal. So in here, cd desktop gcc semaphores C dash LP thread space dash LRT. We need to use this to run the code. So there. So the next is, so it will create this system app thingy a.out. So back in the terminal and let's run it. Dot dash a dot out. So click enter, and there, after 2 seconds, just exiting, then entered, and just exiting. So if we're not gonna use the semaphore, the outcome or the output will be entered, and here is entered, then just exiting. So yes, that's how useful semaphore is. Thank you and goodbye.